Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad and let's use the first secret code. So let me open the Moto hardware test mode, let's use the *## 2486 #*#. As you can see, the CQA test mode pops up, so here you can use the menu mode right here, and you can test the audio, for example, right here. For example, let me loudspeaker. You can test also other things such as the audio tone right here. And other stuff such as the Bluetooth display. For example, let me tap the display. Let me use the bright color bar. You can also test such stuff as key, SIM card, version, vibrator, LAN and other stuff. Let's go back. You can also here perform the sequence mode, and you can basically perform some sequential tests right here to test all features. Here you can also use all tests and you can see some test results and some test information right here. So that's it, let's go back. It's time to open the Android testing menu. So let's use *## 4636 ****. As you can see, the testing menu pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, and you may read such stuff as current network, signal strength, voice service and other stuff. Here you can also run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, enable data connection and use other stuff. Let's go back. You can also here open usage statistics and you can read such stuff as last time used and usage time of all apps from this device. Let's go back. You can also here open Wi-Fi information, and here you can select Wi-Fi API when you may disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks or get connection info. You can also see Wi-Fi config and you can read the information about configured networks, or you may simply tap Wi-Fi status to refresh or stats, run a ping test, or just read the statistics about your Wi-Fi. Let's go back. You can also here use the test alerts, so you can show all CMS test alerts. You can also use the NFC settings right here if you would like to. Alright, let me go back, and this time let me show you how to open the calendar info. So you need to use the following code: *## 225 ****. As you can see, calendar info pops up. You can read here a couple of information from your calendar. That's it, let's go back. It's time to check out the Google Play service, so let's use this code *## 426 ****. Google Play services pops up. Here you can read ping, connect, disconnect, events or status. Alright, let's go back, and this time you have to open the email information, so let's use *#06#, and the email info pops up. As you can see here, we've got two email numbers because this is the dual SIM card version. So tap OK to confirm it, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.